Happy morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter Algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, have you completed your homework? Then exercise 3.5, fourth one's first subdivision, fifth one first and second subdivision I gave homework, isn't it? Can you remember? Take your homework and check your answers. Fourth one, factorize the following. First subdivision, 8x cube plus 125y cube. Okay, this one what is given here? A cube plus b cube form is given, isn't it? Shall we write this on 8? We can written as 2 cube, isn't it? So 2x the whole cube plus 5y the whole cube we can write. Okay, then this is of the form a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Am I correct? Okay, then here instead of a what is given? 2x, isn't it? A is equal to 2x. Then b is equal to 5y. b is equal to 5y. Okay, this is the expansion. Here we have to substitute. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. A plus b means 2x plus 5y into a square minus 2x into ab. This is ab. Then b square. Okay. Then afterwards 2x plus 5y into, take this square and multiply this one. We get the answer. Have you understood? Then this is the factors. We cannot reduce this one. Okay. These are the factors. Then fifth one, factorize the following. First one, x cube plus 8y cube plus 27x cube z cube minus 18xyz. This is z. Okay. Then here x cube plus y cube plus what z cube minus what 3 into xyz. That form here given, isn't it? Otherwise here, since a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that form is here given. Okay, that formula we know, isn't it? Then what's the formula? Can you remember the formula? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. Then we have to bring this form. Okay, this form we have to bring. So x cube plus 2y the whole cube we can write. B cube instead of b, what is there? 2y. Instead of c, 3z is there. 3z the whole cube we can write. Minus 3 into x. X means a. Then b means what? 2y. C is what? 3z. Okay. This form we got. Then we have to substitute here. Okay. In this formula we have to substitute a plus b plus c. That means what? And then x plus 2y plus 3z into what? X cube x square plus 4y square plus 9z square. Okay, 9z square here. How you got this 9z square? 3z the whole square. Okay, that means what? 3 square is 9. Okay, like this here also 2y the whole square. That means 4y square. Okay, minus here ab. Ab means x into 2y. X into 2y is what? Minus 2xy. Okay, minus then bc. Bc means this 2 multiply 2y into 3z. That means 6 y, z. Okay. Then minus CA. CA means C and A. Get 3 into Z, X. Okay. Then this is the factorized form. Factorized. Okay. Then these are the factors. Then second one. L cube minus 8m cube minus 27mn cube minus 18lmn. Here everything cube is given. So here also the same formula only we have to use. Okay. And but here minus is given. Here also minus is given. Here also minus is there. Here already it will come. This two term minus. So we have to take second term and third term minus we have to take. Okay. Then we can written as this one L cube plus this one minus minus 2m the whole cube we can write. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 8. Okay. Minus 8m cube. Then plus. Then this one we can written as minus n the whole cube. That means minus 27n cube. Okay. Minus 3 into L. And then A. A means this L. B is this one. C is this value. Okay. Then this form we brought. Isn't it? That is equal to expansion you say. Then L minus A. A means L. Minus. And B means what? Minus 2m. Okay, minus 2m. C means minus 3n. Okay, into then A square. A square means what? L square plus minus 2m the whole square plus minus 3n the whole square. Okay, then afterwards minus AB. AB means L into minus 2m. Then minus BC. B and C you have to multiply. Then minus C and A you have to multiply. Finally, we got the answer L minus 2m minus 3n into L square plus 4 minus 2 into minus 2 is what? 4, isn't it? 4m square plus 9n square plus 2 into minus is plus, isn't it? Plus 2lm minus, here this minus, how it will come? Minus into minus is plus, isn't it? Plus into minus is minus. So here we got minus. Minus 6mn. Then here minus into minus is plus 3nl. Okay, these are the factors. Have you understood? Have you completed? Very good. I hope you all have completed your homework maybe. First here exercise 3.5 up to 3.5 lot of identities are given, isn't it? And then algebraic identities you must study. Okay, next year also you need these formulas. Okay, so be careful. Again you should write. Okay, then practice it. Then factor is very important chapter. Next year also very useful for you. Okay, don't omit. These are the basic. Okay, very good. You have completed 3 exercises. Okay, up to 3.5 we have completed, isn't it? Now we are going to start factorizing the quadratic polynomial trinomial of the type a square plus bx plus c, but a is not equal to 0. Okay, factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Okay, then in the previous class we learned the quadratic polynomial and using the identity. Okay, factorizing the quadratic polynomial using identity we learned, isn't it? But here they did not ask any question. Here exercise 3.6 first one, factorize the following. Okay, then common here given or factorize the following. Okay, and then one example I am giving. For example, one quadratic equation I am giving. Okay, then x square plus 9x plus 20. Okay, Then like that one quadratic polynomial I get. Okay. This one from here we have to find out the two factors. Then x square means then it has how many factor? 2 factor. Okay. Suppose x cube means then this polynomial have then 3 factors. Okay. Then x square means then we will get 2 factor. Okay. How we can find out this factorize? How we can factorize this one? Okay. How we can find? Then this is of the form which form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Then ax square plus bx plus c. First one we have to find what? AC. Then a and c we have to multiply. Okay. We have to multiply the coefficient of x square. What's the coefficient of x square? A. Then what? And then constant. Both also first we have to multiply. Okay. Then this a and c we have to multiply. Product we have to find. Okay. Then afterwards split this AC into 2 factors. Okay. Then here find whose sum and product is equal to sum is B, product is AC. Sum is B, sum B. Okay, sum is B. Then product is AC. Product is what? AC. Have you understood? Then sum AC. Sum B, then product AC. Then first here you check it, x square, what's the coefficient is here? 1 is the coefficient, isn't it? So this 1 and 20, if we multiply means what's the value we will get? 20 only we will get. Okay. Then the product of this 20, okay, then which two numbers have to multiply, then we will get this 20. We have to check. Okay. What are the numbers multiply means then we will get 20. Say 1 into 20 is 20. Isn't it? And then 2 into 10 is what? 20. Then 4 into 5 is 20. We can write. Am I correct? Then in that case here sum we need what? 9, isn't it? Sum is 9 we need. That sum we have to write here. Okay. 20 this side we have to write. Then split it. This one splitting. Okay. Then two numbers. Which are the two numbers? Multiply. Then we will get 20. 1 into 20. But 1 and 20 if we add means we won't get 9. Am I correct? Then 2 into 10 also 20, isn't it? But 2 and 10 if we add means then we won't get 9. Am I correct? Then so one more number is there. Then 4 into 5. 4 5s are what? 20. Can you add this two? 4 plus 5 is very good 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then product is 20, sum is 9. What are the numbers? Then 4 and 5. Okay. Then we split the middle term as is 4x and 5x. Am I correct? This x square like that write it x square. Then I have to split this 9x. Okay, middle term as which one? 4x and 5x. We have to split. Correct? This model like this only we have to do. Then factorization method. Okay, this 9x we wrote what? Which value? 4x and 5x we wrote. Then this 20 afterwards write it. Any doubt? Then after here, first two term we should take it. This two term. Then afterwards this two term compare it. Okay. Here which is common? Here 2x is there. Here 1x is there, isn't it? Shall we take common outside? X. Remaining is 1x is there. Then here x we took outside, isn't it? Plus 4. Then here this 2 term which is common. 5 is common, isn't it? This one we can write 5 into 4. So 5 common we can write. Plus this plus 5 into this 5 we took outside, remaining x. Then 5 fours are what? 20. 5 fours are 20. Correct? Then inside the bracket x plus 4 is there. Here also x plus 4 is there. This is one term, this one another term. Okay. Then inside the bracket what is given? X plus 4. That is common. Okay. That term we have to take. That factor we have to take. Remaining is x plus 5. This x plus 5. So these are the factors of what is quadratic polynomial. Have you understood? Any doubt? Okay. Then this quadratic polynomial, two factors we got. Okay. In the short form, suppose if you did not write these steps, then short form how we can find? There is 20, product is 20, sum is 9, 4 and 5 are the factors we got, isn't it? From this 4 and 5, we have to add this x plus. Okay, here also we have to add x plus. So we got the answer. Here what? X plus. Did you get this answer? X plus 4, the x plus 5. Okay, the short form like this also we can do. Okay, these are the steps, no need to write. Directly we can write this what this answer. Okay. But your question is factorize the polynomial. Suppose given means this is 2 mark question. 2 mark question means you must write these steps. Okay. And then next year this methods and all you want to use. So be careful and study. Okay. Have you understood? This is common example only I explained. Now you say. Exercise 3.6. First one, factorize the following. Second question, fourth subdivision and sixth subdivision I am giving. The remaining question you do homework. Okay. Then second question is z square plus 4z minus 12. Okay. First subdivision, this is the question. Then this is equal to. Now you see here instead of x what is given? Z is given. Variable is z. That's the difference. Okay, no problem. Here instead of x is z. So z, what's the coefficient? Z square, what's the coefficient is given? 1, isn't it? That 1 and minus 12. C means this constant. This constant and this coefficient of z square. Okay, both also multiply. Multiply means then what's the value? Minus 12. Am I correct? Minus 12. This minus product is minus 12. Sum is this 4. Okay, middle term 4 is there. Then what are the numbers it will come? Same. Then product is minus 12. Sum is 4. Middle you should this sum 4, product minus 12. Then which are the numbers it will come? Same. And then 1 into minus 12 is what? Minus 12. Am I correct? 1 into minus 12. That means both also add means we won't get 4. Isn't it? Any other? 4 3s are 12. Isn't it? 4 3s are 12 means 4 and 3. If we add means then we won't get this 4. Okay. Then which number we can find? We can write then 6 into 2. 6 2s are what? 12. We can write, isn't it? But the middle term here positive is given. Then product is negative in it, isn't it? So shall we write this 6 2s are what? 6 2s are 12. But we won't get this 4. If you add these two means then 8 we will get, isn't it? But here we need 4. Okay, then what to do? Then big number, positive number only we need here. So shall we give here minus, correct? 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Shall we add this 2? 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Correct? So we split the middle term as 6 and minus 12. Okay, so we can write what? 6x and minus x in the middle term. Minus x not, here is z, isn't it? 6z, then minus z we can write. Shall we write? Here z square, like that we have to write. Then here minus 2, shall we write first? Smallest number, first you should write it. Okay, minus 2z. Here big number is given. So this nearest, this number we have to write. Okay. Then plus 6z minus this 12. Correct? Then z square minus 12z plus 6z. This two add means then we will get what? 6 minus 12. 6z minus 2z is what? 4z. Okay. Minus 12. We split this middle term. Okay. Then equal to first two term you should take it. Next two term. Okay. First two term you should take which is common. Z is common. Remaining you say Z minus this 2. Okay. This Z we took outside. Then like that here two term you should take it which is common. Plus 6 is common. Plus 6 is common. Remaining Z minus what? 2. Okay. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Then equal to inside the bracket Z minus 2. Here Z minus 2 is common. Isn't it? That Z minus 2 common we have to take outside. Okay. Then remaining you say Z plus 6. Remaining Z plus 6. So how many factors we got? 2 factors we got. Okay. If you multiply these two, the same question only we will get. Have you understood? Then these two factors if you multiply this question only you will get. Okay, that means correct. Here in the short form how we can find this one? And then here before you have to add what? Z. That means Z plus 6. Then here Z minus 2. Directly we can write. But the factors form is like this only we have to do. Any doubt? This one very important. And this one not first question, second one. Okay. Then fourth subdivision, t square plus 72 minus 17t equal to, this one shall we arrange first? T square, then t term afterwards write it, minus 17t plus 72. Am I correct? Here you say, what's the coefficient of t square? 1, isn't it? That 1 and 72 multiply. That means 72. Side you should write it. Okay. Then product is 72. Then sum is this minus 17. Okay. Product is, sum is what? Minus 17. So how we can find two numbers multiply? Then we need what? 72. That sum is minus 17. Then what are the numbers you say? 1 into 72 is 72. But we won't get this sum. Isn't it? Then any other? No. Then ninth table. If you tell me, so then say the ninth table or 8th table. 8 9s are what? 72. Isn't it? 8 9s are 72. If you add this 2, okay, if we add this 2, then we won't get minus 17. Plus 17 only we will get. But we need what? Minus 17. So what to do? Very good. Here minus shall we give? Here also minus shall we give? Okay. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 8 into minus 9 is what? 72. Multiply this to 72. Then multiply and then add this 2 value. Then minus 17 we got. Okay. Then shall we split here? Then split the middle term. T square. Then minus 80. Then minus 90. Okay. Why means here 17t is given. That t 17t only we splitted. Okay. So we return here minus 80 minus 90 plus this 72. Then this the first term and the last term like that you should write it. Middle term only we have to split. Am I correct? Then equal to first 2 term you should take it. Then last 2 term. Okay. Then take the common. What's the common here? T is common. Isn't it? Here 1 t is there. Then 1 t we took outside. Isn't it? Remaining minus 8. Okay. Here you see which is common. Very good. Minus 9 common we can take. Isn't it? Minus 9 common we have to take. Remaining 1 t is there. Okay. Then minus 9. Then 9 8s are what? 72, isn't it? So here outside minus is there. So here also we have to put minus. Then only we will get what? Minus into minus is plus. Okay. 9 into 8 is what? 9 into 8 is 72 we will get. Am I correct? Minus 9 into minus 8 is 72. Have you understood? So only we written here minus. Minus common we took outside. So here also minus it will come. Then only minus into minus is plus it will come. Okay, now you say this is 1 term, another 2 terms we got. 2 terms we got. Here which is common? T minus 8 is inside the bracket what is given. That one you write first. Okay. Then remaining what? T minus 9. How many factors we got? 2 factors. The short form means how we will write? This one t minus 8. Okay, this one t minus 9. Then here first this step you should write it. Then afterwards directly we can write in the short form. Then like this also we can find. Okay. So next year you want to use this method. And this method also mostly we will use this method only. Okay. And then so how it will come you should find out. Okay, like this you find and middle term you split it and find the 2 factors. Okay, then sixth subdivision a square plus 10x minus 600 equal to, here you see a square instead of x what is given here? A is the variable, isn't it? Sorry, here a is there. Okay, 10a square plus 10a minus 600. Okay, then this is the quadratic polynomial. Okay, then quadratic polynomial means then how we can find using factorization method? Here a square, it's the coefficient of a square, first you check it. Okay, and then here one is there, this 1 and minus 600 multiply, then minus 600. Okay, minus 600, then sum is this 10. Then what are the numbers you should find out? What are the numbers it will come, you say? Suppose 1 into minus 600 is what? 600 we can write. Then but sum we need 10. Okay, sum 10 we need, isn't it? So what are the numbers we can find, you say? Then 60 into 10 is what? 60 into 10, 600. Am I correct? But 60 and 10 if we add means then what? We won't get 10. Okay, that number we cannot take. Then one more number, any other number? Think and write. Here 10 we need, isn't it? Plus 10. Okay. And what are the numbers we can find here? 30 and 20 shall we write? 3 twos are what? 3 twos are 6. So anyway, 20 and 30. Okay. 2 threes are 6. Then this double zero we have to add. Okay. 20 into 30 is what? 600. But we need here minus 600. Okay. But here plus middle sum is plus we need. Okay. So middle term is plus we need. So we have to give the minus term. Then minus which term we have to take? Okay, very good. Smallest number we have to take minus. Am I correct? Why? Suppose here minus 10 is given means this big number we have to take minus. Okay. Then greatest number minus smallest number. Greatest number sign only we will take, isn't it? But here plus 30 and minus 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay. Did you get this two sum 10? This two multiply. Did you get minus 600? Okay, very good. Then we got this answer, isn't it? So shall we split here? A square. This minus 20a plus 30a is minus 600. Okay. And equal to first two term, last two term. Compare it. A is common. Okay, A is common, remaining A minus 20. Here you say which is common? 30 is common. Remaining A minus 30 we took outside means here remaining 20 is there, isn't it? 30 into 20 is what? 600. Okay, am I correct? Here inside the bracket what is there? A minus 20. Here also A minus 20. That is common. A minus 20. Remaining what is there? A plus 30. Okay, very simple question this one, but important, very important. Be careful and study. And these are the factorization method. Suppose this one using you will think we can use the identity, no? Like that you will think, isn't it? Here minus 600, here a square no problem. Then here minus 600 is there. 600 any square is there? No, isn't it? Suppose here 25 given means, then at once we can write what? A minus b the whole square form. Like that we can use, isn't it? But here 600 is given. Okay, 600 we cannot write a square form. Okay. That case then we have to use this factorization method, that is easy. Okay, here also like that, minus 12, 12 is there, minus 12 any square is there. Suppose here 100 given means then we can write what? 10 square we can write, isn't it? But here minus 12 is there, no square. In that case this method we should use. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, this method only often you want to use, the next year often we want to use. Okay, and then this year itself you should, and this year also you want to use. Okay, be careful and study. The short form if you want to write means this one, a minus 20 we can write here, a plus 30 we can write. Okay, and these steps everything you should follow. Okay, that is good for you. Then mark the homework questions. Exercise 3.6. First one, first subdivision, third subdivision, and fifth subdivision. Okay. Then first one, third one, and fifth subdivision. Okay. These three questions, the same method. Okay. Same method, and then three questions you must do, then only you will get one idea. Okay, if you have any doubt you can call me in the doubt clearing session. This may be asked for 2 more questions. Okay, so be careful, very important. Again I am telling this one, don't omit. Okay, be careful and study. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.